Did you know the U.S. Army once sent artists and actors to fight a war using fake tanks and speakers? It was 1944. A secret unit called the Ghost Army drove through France with inflatable tanks, recorded explosions, and fake radio signals. No real weapons, no backup. Their only defense was convincing the Germans that thousands of Allied troops were somewhere they weren't. If the act fell apart, they were gone. But it worked. Painters and sound engineers fooled an entire army. Imagination, it turns out, can win a battle.